Good afternoon, sir. My name is Hooi, and today I would like to share with you a topic about the environmental and water issues. As we all know, 70% of our Mother Earth's surface is covered with water. This makes water pollution become the main environmental issue we are facing as it covers a big portion of the Earth. So, what is water pollution? Water pollution refers to the harmful substances that enter the water bodies such as streams, lakes, rivers, or even the oceans, dissolve in dams and thus degrading the water quality. The toxic substances are harmful to the environment and also the human health. Okay, there are three main things I would like to share with you today, which are oil spill accident, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and also the solutions to these problems. Okay, the first is the accidental oil spill. In 1979, there was an accidental oil spill from oil rig in the Gulf of Mexico. On the 3rd of June, the circulation of drilling mud on the well had failed, causing the blowout, explosion, and also the fire that resulted in the destruction and also sinking of the rig. A staggering 140 million gallons of oil gushed straight into the Gulf of Mexico. Since the oil cannot dissolve in water, it can clearly be seen there was an additional layer was formed. This results in fish suffocating, marine birds are unable to fly, and blocking the lights from the photosynthetic plants. This is an water pollution issue which badly affects the environment. Similarly, there is another issue which can't overlook by us, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Okay. According to Jack Goldsmith, of all the waste we generate, plastic bags are perhaps the greatest symbol of our throwaway society. They have used and forgotten, then they leave a terrible legacy. So what is garbage patch? Garbage patch is a huge collection of plastic debris in the North Pacific, which the scientists predict is likely to double up in size during the next 10 years. Most of the plastic debris in the North Pacific comes from the land sources and also survive long trip there as the conventional plastics cannot biodegrade and also the bioplastics cannot biodegrade in the marine environments. All the plastics only photodegrades in the marine environments, which limits them to breaking into smaller pieces and also changing colors over time due to the exposed to the UV light. This Great Pacific Garbage Patch contains 1.1 to 3.6 trillion pieces of plastics. This badly affects the ecosystem in that area. For instance, sea turtles will mistaken the plastics as jellyfish and eat them, which eventually cause their deaths. These are not something we are proud of, but there are still solutions we can do to stop these human activities. Firstly, for the oil spill accident, chemical dispersion is one of the methods used to pull the oil particles apart suspended in water, reducing the oil leaks into droplets that can be degraded naturally by the occurring bacteria. Besides, another technique used is the oil booms and skimmers. Oil booms can be used to contain the spills on the surface of the water and ensure the contamination cannot further flow away. Once the contamination is contained, a skimmers can pump the oil spills to an external reservoir. In order to clean out 100% of the oil spills, we can use the adsorbent booms and adsorbent pads. We call this a 100% mechanical cleanup. Besides, for the garbage patch, the best solution is to reduce the usage of the plastics and also encourage the recycling habits of the humans. Okay, in conclusion, Water pollution is a huge concern for us, especially for the environment. Okay, A.W.H. Auden has once said before, the 1,000 lives live without love, but no, not one without water. Without a doubt, water is essential to all the living things. Due to these human activities, our Mother Earth has faced her tough times, and also this will bring a great impact to our future generation. With the oil spills and abundance of plastic waste, and also the toxic substances that enters our waterways, we are wasting our most valuable resources that our planet has to offer. So I'm here. I hope that everyone can work hand in hand together to solve this problem and change the world. Thank you. Thank you.